Welcome to Metro System Corporation, where we are proud to present our state-of-the-art Modernized Manufacturing Center, a hub of technological innovation and complete manufacturing solutions. 3D Printing Zone, featuring high-quality 3D printers brand imported from Netherlands, the Ultimaker, that offers a cost-effective option for organizations that looking to reduce costs in prototyping, tooling, or jigs and fixtures design. The 3D printers showcased here include Ultimaker 2 Plus Connect, Ultimaker S3, Ultimaker S5, and Ultimaker S7 Pro Bundle. The Super App IoT, developed by our Metro System. The Super App IoT platform is here to elevate Industry 4.0 by providing real-time data integration from machinery and equipment across the factory production line. In this zone, we demonstrate a scaled-down production line, modeling the production process, including production quantity, time, production quality, and the operation of each machine. All of this data is sent to the Super App IoT system, a system dashboard used to monitor and manage machinery, including maintenance planning to enhance production quality. Apart from these two zones, our Modernized Manufacturing Center serves as a hub for engineering solutions and innovation, bringing together a comprehensive ecosystem, including 3D scanning technology for creating 3D model prototypes and reverse engineering. Engineering design software, offering a complete suite including SolidWorks and 3D Experience platform. And that is the entirety of our Modernized Manufacturing Center. Interested parties can contact us to schedule a visit from Monday to Friday between 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m.